In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix YouTube memberships integration, not showing on Discord in just 5 minutes. If you've been experiencing difficulties with getting your YouTube membership information to sync with your Discord account, don't worry. This straightforward guide will walk you through each step to ensure everything displays as it should. First, let's kick things off by logging into Discord. Launch your Discord app or head to the website and enter your credentials to access your account. Make sure you're logged into the right account, particularly if you manage multiple profiles, to avoid any confusion later on. Once you're logged in, look toward the bottom left of your screen for the user settings icon. It's the little gear next to your username and avatar. Click on it, and this will open up your settings menu where you can manage your account, privacy, and much more. Now, navigate to the Connections tab. This section is where you'll find all the external applications and services you can connect to your Discord account, like Steam, Spotify, and for our purposes, YouTube. If you haven't set up any connections before, this area might look a bit sparse. Don't worry, we'll populate it soon. In the Connections tab, keep an eye out for the YouTube icon. If you don't see it, locate and click the arrow that lets you add an account. This could be a simple oversight, or maybe it hasn't been set up yet. But no worries, we're about to fix that. After identifying or adding the YouTube icon, click on it. This action will direct you to your web browser to handle the linkage process. It's important at this stage to ensure that you're logged into the correct YouTube account, especially if you have multiple channels or accounts. Once in your browser, select the YouTube channel that corresponds to your membership settings. This step is crucial because selecting the wrong channel could lead to the integration misrepresenting your membership status on Discord. Double-check to avoid mix-ups. Then, you'll see a prompt asking you to authorize the connection between your YouTube and Discord accounts. Click Allow to grant the necessary permissions. By doing so, you're enabling Discord to sync data from your YouTube account. It's a secure process, so you can proceed with peace of mind. Finally, give Discord a moment to sync your accounts. You should see the roles automatically updated in your Discord server. Occasionally, there might be a slight delay, but the system typically handles the syncing efficiently. By following these steps, you should now see your YouTube membership information correctly integrated into your Discord account. Thanks for watching, and I hope this walkthrough has helped you resolve the issue swiftly. Feel free to revisit if you encounter this again. And happy chatting!